ever feel drained from like life and work and stuff, and then get on the bike and immediately like you got a shot of adrenaline. You get what I'm saying? Because that's how I feel. I could be tired, I could be like, oh man, I ain't doing jack today, it's just too much, and immediately get on the bike and be like, yeah dog, I go all day fam, where you at? I know I can't be the only one, right? I know I can't be the only one. Alright, how many of you guys actually use hand signals? Like sometimes I do it obviously when I'm in a big group, but if I'm out by myself I won't do hand signals, just because I don't know, it's like I feel it unnecessary sometimes. But do you guys use hand signals? Let me know. Waiting on you, fam. We on that yield. There we go. There we go. No, Cardo, I'm not talking to you. Stop beeping in my ear. I know you ain't trying to pull out in front. Nah, there we go. Alright, sure, whatever. I'm just gonna random stuff out here. Dang, somebody was, oh okay, somebody's selling stuff. Oh man, oh man, oh man. But a quick shout out to all of my subscribers. Like I said, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Like I said, the channel is growing slowly, but it's growing one sub at a time, and I appreciate that. And like I said, I appreciate everybody's just sitting around sometimes just watching me jibber jabber, or just watching me do whatever I do on the bike, you know, ride it around, acting silly sometimes, talking nonsense. So I appreciate that. But like I said, I like riding her around, so, and I do like sharing my experiences, and I do like to involve as much of the community as possible, just because I'm all about growing that community. I think y'all heard me say a dozen times, I'm all about growing community. I'm all about riding the bike, showing love, no matter if you on 2 and even 3 wheels, fam. Okay, I know some people don't agree, but I don't care. Okay, if you are on 2 wheels, if you're on 3 wheels, heck, if you're even on 4 wheels, I'm okay with that. You know what I mean? Except if you're a cager, you get what I'm saying? Like, that's pushing it. But if you're on 4-wheelers, you know what I'm saying? Oh God. No, but if you watch my channel and if you don't ride motorcycles, I'm okay with you watching my channel, okay? Let's just get that in the air. Let's just get that out there and be very, very clear. You can watch my channel. Welcome to America. You can watch my channel without having to like bikes. Woo! And you cannot. And you can like bikes and not watch my channel. It goes both ways. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do me, you do you. And let's hope that we meet at the finish line together. You get what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with it. But if you do like all the stuff that you see on this channel, just cruising around, jaw jacking about stuff, then hit that sub button. What you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for the notifications every time my video drops, which is rather random at this time. So you kind of need that notification so you know that homeboy done dropped another one. Okay, so but it's up to you.